Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making a vegan dish. For this recipe we will need rice noodles, mushrooms, tofu, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, sesame seeds, soya sauce, olive oil and sesame oil.
First of all, set a tea kettle to boil. During that time, heat up your skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In the pan, you need to fry 2 big cloves of garlic and 2 medium-sized onions.
Cut onions into half circles and grate the garlic. Add a bit of ground up black pepper.
Cut and fry 450 grams of tofu. Next, add cut up mushrooms. We used 500 grams of champignon mushrooms, but you can use any kind that you would like. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. A big thank you to all the people who have subscribed to our channel and are keeping watching our videos.
Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of soya sauce and half a teaspoon of sesame oil.
Leave everything to fry for 5 to 7 minutes without forgetting to mix.
When the water has boiled, add how much salt you want. We added 1 tablespoon.
Place in 250 to 300 grams of rice noodles into salt water and leave until cooked. The cooking time will depend, so read the label.
You can replace the rice noodles with spaghetti. This recipe turns out very well with buckwheat noodles.
Now the rice noodles are ready. Pour out the water, place them onto a plate, and place the tofu and mushrooms on top and sprinkle 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds.
We serve this dish with arugula, but you don't have to. Let's cook with us and make yourself, your friends and your family happy with your cooking. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.